Acopa Nova porcelain dinnerware blends style and strength to showcase culinary masterpieces without compromising durability. This line offers a vast selection of plates and bowls, so finding the perfect piece is easy. It's great for serving multiple courses, from savory appetizers to decadent desserts. Acopa Nova dinnerware features sleek, curved edges for a softer look and feel, which complements the thin body and creates a delicate, modern appearance. Each piece is designed with an eye-catching, asymmetric, freeform coupe shape and is creamy white to serve as the perfect backdrop for fresh, vibrant dishes. Because it's made of porcelain, Acopa Nova dinnerware is designed to last. Not only is it fully vitrified to prevent moisture absorption, it's also glazed, which protects the color and prolongs its lifespan. For hearty dinnerware with a trendy flair, Acopa Nova is the perfect choice.